What it do, gang? It's your boy Blackie Stone, and I am back with another video. Guys, super excited today because we are going to sublimate on a 100% cotton t-shirt. And I'm going to show you right after this break. Alright guys, we're getting right into the video today. We already got our supplies ready, but let's go over a few things to let you know or to remind you what we need for this process. We have a 100% cotton t-shirt. We have our heat press. We also have our background that we already cut on our silhouette, our Cameo 4. Another thing that you're gonna need is the picture. Yeah, you see it. It's kind of vague right now, but you can actually see the image that we're going to print on our t-shirt. A guy that was a definite all-star within the rap industry who recently passed away a couple of years ago. We're going to press this impression on our 100% cotton t-shirt, and then we're going to gift it to somebody. There's a little twist today. We have our heating press that's heating up to 400 degrees and it's set at 60 seconds. That's the temperature and the time that you need in order to sublimate on any type of material. However, our backdrop again is a HTV glitter. We don't need 400 degrees or 60 seconds to stamp our t-shirt. All we want to do is stamp our t-shirt for maybe 8 seconds. Then we're going to let it cool just a little bit and peel off that transfer. Then, well, we'll get to that point next. I'll show you right now. What we're gonna do first, guys, is take our 100% cotton t-shirt and do what? We're gonna fold it in half. Why did we fold it in half? We're gonna fold it in half so that we can get the middle of the t-shirt. Let's press this for maybe 3 seconds. We're also trying to get the moisture out of the t-shirt so that we can get a good press. So let's go ahead and do that. 1001, 1002, 1003, and boom. So we have the middle of our t-shirt. We got the moisture out. Now what we want to do is go ahead and get our HTV vinyl. Now we're going to press this HTV vinyl right in the center. To get the middle, what we're going to do is fold this in half. Get a nice little crease. Then we're going to lay that on our t-shirt and marry it right with the center of the t-shirt. We want 3 inches from the collar, so what I do is use 3 of my fingers Gonna move that up there. This is a gift. I'm not gonna sell this t-shirt. Not for the first time. I'm gonna gift the first one. So I want it to be perfect, but at the same time, if it's not perfect, I'm sure the person I gifted to will be happy with it. So we got our middle. We're gonna stamp this for 10 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 2007, 2008, and boom, that's it. Because we don't want, and boom, wow guys, that came right up off. That vinyl, that carrier came right up off of that glitter. Woo! That platen is hot. That platen is hot. So we got our t-shirt, we got our HTV glitter stamped onto the t-shirt. Now what we want to do is try our best to marry our image of Nipsey Hussle on this HTV glitter vinyl. And that's gonna be kind of difficult, guys. But like I said, this is the first time we're doing this. We have some witness marks. We have some witness marks, but I tell you what, it's not completely visible. As a matter of fact, it's very difficult. We got our image as close as possible on the HTV vinyl. Now what we're going to do is get some of our heat transfer tape so that when we stamp this image, it doesn't move, and so that it doesn't ghost. So let's tape this down as much as we can. Let's put some more tape. Put some more tape down on this image. Woo wee! At 400 degrees coming off this heat press. It's burning up. So that's another reason why I wanted to get everything prepared, because I don't want the video to take a long time. Sometimes when a video is too long, we lose interest and we press fast forward. I'm guilty of it. I'm sure some of you guys are too. So we're almost finished here. I think, as a matter of fact, that should be enough. I just lost my picture. Okay, so in order to press this, we have our butcher paper, which is going to protect the top part of our heating press. We don't want any ink to transfer to the top of our heating press. And then we have our Teflon paper. We don't need any in between the t-shirt because the HTV glitter vinyl is going to protect us of that. One thing I didn't do, guys, and you guys were supposed to let me know. You were supposed to remind me. I didn't lint roll the t-shirt. So hopefully, like I said, this is a gift. This is a learning experience. So hopefully everything turns out right. Let's cross our fingers and let's go. For 60 seconds at 400 degrees, guys. Just opened up the platen. had technical difficulties, so I apologize for you not being here when the alarm went off for 60 seconds. But this is a hot pill, guys, so let's get started. Hopefully everything turns out right. Hopefully all that ink came off. Being that this is so hot and we want a fast peel, I like to use my weeding tool to get me started. And we are going to, ooh, I hurt. I think I burnt myself. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Guys, are you kidding me? This is amazing. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? I burnt myself and I don't even care because I'm looking at the finished result. That's a bad t-shirt. Oh wow, I am amazed. Look at that t-shirt. Look at this t-shirt, guys. Look at this t-shirt. The person oh man, I can't believe I witnessed that up. I paired that up just right. I paired it up just right. On the first try, guys. I lied to you not. This is the first try. This is crazy. This is on the first try. This is our Nipsey Hussle HTV glitter. Sublimation on 100% cotton. Sublimation on 100% cotton. Do you guys see the colors? Are you guys seeing the colors that I'm seeing? That is amazing. That is amazing, guys. And we did it on the first try. Look at the details. Wow, look at the details. And there's a little bit of white off on the side, and there's a little bit of bleeding off on the side. The bleeding is going to disappear, the white's going to stay. Because as you know, you can't sublimate on 100% cotton. That's the key. You got to have some kind of medium in order to sublimate onto a 100% cotton. Our medium today was this HTV glitter from Sizer. I am amazed. I am so happy, guys. Hey, we did it on our first try. We did it on our first try. I'm so excited. I am so excited. This is the first time we sublimated on 100% cotton t-shirt. First time we sublimated on a 100% cotton t-shirt. We did it right. We did it right. We did it right, guys. Hey, I'm so happy. That's going to end the video, guys, for today. Excuse me. That's going to end the video for today, guys. Excuse me for being so excited, but I am so excited that we were able to get this transfer. Well, not this transfer, to get this t-shirt right the very first time. I think, man, I was like, I'm thinking, should I put something else on this t-shirt in order to make it pop? But really, I don't need anything else to make it pop. That's a winner. This t-shirt is a winner. That's a winner. Remember, guys, if you are interested in owning a t-shirt like this, all of my information will be in the description below. If this is your first time coming to the channel, make sure you give me a thumbs up for this video, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Hey, this is we did it right the first time, so please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. And if you like my material, do me a favor, extend that favor by going on and subscribing to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. This is somewhat of an adventure type of video for me. We normally do fast cars, motorcycles, lifestyle, and adventure. This is something on the borderline of lifestyle and adventure. Guys, you gotta try things that you're not for sure of. It doesn't matter if you're at a certain point in your life, you're making certain kind of money. If you always wanted to do something, go ahead and try it. You're not hurting anybody. As long as you don't hurt anybody, go ahead and try it. Reach out for those different goals that you have. It helps out with mental health, guys. Again, hey, give me a thumbs up. It really helps this video and any other video that we put out get out into the world, guys. I'm so happy. Hey, I'm happy. I'm gonna have to go, man. I kind of lost my picture in the background there. I kind of lost my lights, but we gonna get that fixed. We probably gonna, I know what I gotta do. That doesn't have anything to do with this video. Hey guys, I am so happy. I'm gonna end this video by saying to you guys, just like I always say to you, peace, love, and respect. Gang.
I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision. It could